In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change the screen tip style in Excel with ease. So by default, whenever you highlight over one of the menu items in Excel, it will show you the title of what the menu item is, like freeze panes, for example, as well as a description of what it is and why it is useful below. But believe it or not, you can shift this to where it shows just a title, or this little menu doesn't pop up at all. To do this, you can go to File, then down to Options. And from here, under the first menu option general, you'll see a drop down for screen tip style. By default, it shows feature in screen tips, but you can say don't show feature descriptions in screen tips, where clicking on that will show just the title, freeze panes, without the description below. And so you can make it to where this doesn't show at all by just selecting don't show screen tips, and this won't show screen tips at all whenever you highlight over the menu items. And this is a helpful feature to know, because, for example, if you have just the title showing and not the description, it makes your workbook a bit sleeker if you're working through it under a big meeting, for example. And if you don't have them showing at all, it's just a bit less for Excel to load and can make your spreadsheets marginally faster. But if for some reason your spreadsheet has this feature turned off, having the full description can be helpful if you're just learning Excel or you're trying to get more familiarity as to why each of these features are useful. That said, I hope you found this to be helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.